Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy plans and kit for December 2020. I'm going to be following along Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds series again. And it's a Facebook series where Shimelle provides a shopping list of supplies. And throughout 1 month, she creates pages and shares inspiration on her Facebook page. In addition to this, I signed up for a Shimelle class called Journal Your Christmas. It's kind of like a December daily, I think, a 6x8 format, and it's going to be my first time doing anything like this. The shopping list this month was huge, and the reason for it was not to buy everything. It was simply to give participants a choice. I found it overwhelming, so I went a bit rogue. Basically, I put together a huge kit, but I paid less attention to the individual items on the list and basically made sure to cover all bases. I have paper, stickers, ephemera, smaller embellishments, and alphas. And my kit is based on 3 collections. 2 of them are found on her shopping list, and the other one I got from my stash. Now here's the first collection. It's the Simple Stories Winter Cottage collection. She did have bits and pieces of this on her shopping list. What I decided to do was buy the 12x12 collection pack. Now this comes with 12 sheets of paper, only 1 of each, and I typically like to have 2 of each. Oh well, I'll have to make do with it. And it also comes with a 12x12 sticker sheet. I find these pretty good deal, basically. That's why I bought it as opposed to buying the individual sheets. I also have 2 more items coming from this collection, a 6x8 paper pad as well as a sticker book, but I don't have them on hand quite yet. Also from this collection, I have 2 ephemera packs. I have the bits and pieces as well as the journal bits. I also have the enamel dots, and I bought 2 alphas. Now those aren't actually part of the collection, but they are Simple Stories alphas. This is my second collection, and this comes from the Crate Paper Hey Santa collection. Again, bits and pieces of this collection are on Shimelle's shopping list. I probably bought this in September. I have tons of it. As you can see, I have mostly, but not all, 2 of each sheet because I'm a double page scrapbooker, and that's often how I buy my material. I also have a piece of vellum, polka dot vellum. You'll see it in a minute. It's super, super cute. And you'll also see I have some other bits and pieces to this collection. I ended up getting, you're going to see this in a minute, stickers, ephemera, as well as puffy stickers and alphas. Now, all of this stuff, you haven't even seen it all quite yet. I'll show you in a minute. All of this stuff is not on Shimelle's list. She probably has things on it that I don't have, and I probably have stuff that she has, but I'm confident I can make it work. This is the third collection, and this one came from my stash. It's a kit, an old kit from the Hip Kit Club, probably from 2019, and I bought it on sale, one of their sales, probably International Scrapbooking Day. Basically, I have this box in my office called the Fun Box, and that's where I put kits or collections that I buy on killer deals, and I put them there for kind of a rainy day. Basically, if I feel like I need something new but I don't want to spend money, I go to my Fun Box, and I know I've got that material at a really good deal. So as you can see, I have 1 of each paper, and this color palette really does differ from the other 2, so I'm quite happy with it. It almost has a Pink Fresh Studio look about it. I also have chipboard stickers that are super cute, 3 packs of ephemera. 1 of them are images, the other are all trees, and the other are little bows to make. Also, I think I have a few other things from this collection. Actually, no, I don't. I didn't particularly like the alphas that came with this collection. So what I did was I removed them and I threw in some alphas from my stash. On her shopping list as well, she had a stencil as well as a die. Now, her stencil was a polka dot stencil. I have 3 or 4 of them, so I actually permitted myself to buy a new stencil, these snowflakes, and that's from the Winter Cottage collection as well. She also had a snowflake die, but those dies there are from my stash. They are beautiful. They're from Stampin' Up. They're called like Christmas layers or something like that. I bought them last year and I haven't used them yet, so I'm going to try to use them this year. From my stash, I pulled out that snowflake punch, and while I was in my punches, I saw this border maker. It's almost like a village. It's from Creative Memories. A friend gave it to me and I've never used it, so I threw it in my kit as well. Now, finally, I bought some cardstock, solid colored cardstock that I thought would coordinate with my kit. And I also threw in, you'll see it in a minute, a handful of wood grain paper, and that's from the newest Jen Hadfield collection. The reason why I did this, well, number one, the wood grain. I love wood grain and it works so well with Christmas and wintry photos. But the cardstock, last month, I threw in coordinating cardstock in my kit because I work a lot with tools and I got tons of mileage out of it. Anyway, there is my entire kit. It's huge this month, and in a moment you'll see stills of all the individual kits. It's funny, before this month approached, my plan was to have no plan in December, and suddenly I'm signed up for a class and I have all of this gorgeous material in front of me. My plan is to do what I can to have fun with it. If I do process videos, I'll certainly post them. Also, at the end of the month, I will share with you what I've created with this material, and who knows what I'll come up with. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a happy and healthy December. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.